So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And that is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And my glasses are right here. I'm going to throw some black paint on this. Literally. I'm not going to do a great job spreading it because I have no time. But I am going to spread it somewhat. And then, after my spatula is more or less useful again by being cleaned off, thrown in the bucket, I am going to take, first of all, the colors I had left from my last painting that I didn't get to use them on. I'm just going to keep scooping them. This came from Walmart, by the way, from the paint section. My glop isn't too bad. I'm basically just going to cover the canvas with patterns and tip the canvas as best I can. The reddish color is definitely copper, not mud. It's got some orange with it too. I'll throw all my tools in the bucket. I've got lots more colors, but I discovered that I would really like to have a lot more white. And I'm going to use a Sergeant's Pearl. And I'm also going to throw some more of my golden magenta that I have added iridescent pearl fine to. That's looking very dark. I think I need orange. Orange can fix everything. And I don't have any yellow. So it is what it is. It'll be what it'll be. Pretty fugly to start with, but it's okay. That's a place to start. I'm sure around here somewhere I've got an edge catcher, and I'm going to stick that right down on my tile. And if I want other colors, and I do, I'm going to use them, and I'm going to definitely use this iridescent. I don't know what I'm going to get, but I know it's going to be interesting. Ooh, I've got some very brown paint on that edge catcher. I'm just going to use whatever's rolling. When it hits the edge, I'm going to use my finger on it and sort of rub it in. I could probably also, along the way, use a straw to spread some things around. Do I have any more paint in this? I had some gorgeous paint in here. I think that's all got to come out. And get tipped right down into the picture. And then maybe tipped back so I get some edge coverage. Just enough. Just enough edge coverage. Yeah, this is definitely more abstract than landscape. My last painting, I'm going to try and put a moon in. I put a little black sky in at the very end. There's my straw. I had leftovers earlier today that I thought I was going to be able to use with a chain. They may only be stage 1. That purple is my neon from folk art, and I think it's definitely going to be needing some white. I want all this out, and then I'm going to have to add it to the bucket. Alright, I wonder how much paint I've got left. I really want more of that pink. You know what? I haven't used any of this pink today. I think I like it a lot. So much so Not sure about that yellow-orange combination in the least. I'm having regrets. But I have a fair amount of faith and confidence in myself that I can fix almost anything. And I don't scrape much, so let's see what happens. No, I don't want that to go away. I'm just gonna, you know, I could just leave that and it would be okay. Right there like that. Not as bad as I was thinking. What can I add to this to make it better? I think some lighter orange, some iridescent masterminds. Actually, that's Masters. That's Modern Masters. I haven't got any of that green in there. I want something else in here that makes it better. This makes everything better for me. And I've still got some more paint, but I'm more inclined to get rid of it than to use it since it's got so much orange in there. I really went past my comfort zone in a big way. Let's see what we can do. It could still turn out neat. It could. I want a smaller edge catcher. One that will not flop into my painting, please. There's some cool stuff going on here, really. I'm not hating it as much as I thought I was before I added the purple. Of course, that's definitely always a solution for me. And I'm going to take my paint, put it right in there, take the rest of my paint, put it right there, and contemplate what else I might want to put in there that would make the colors, make me happier with the colors. I've got some black that I started with, and I think that might be just the ticket. Except for the things that are preventing it from coming out. Got it. Sort of, kind of. Let's see what I can do with that. I thought I saw something in there. Yes, I gotcha. Now I could still use some white also. There's dendrites on the edge of that gold. How cool. This is way more about shape right at the moment than anything, but I'm liking how strange. It's strange and wonderful, and everything's moving that way. I kind of want to move it the other way, but I got to start where I am. Boy, that purple really fixed that orange for me very nicely. Hopefully you can see that. And the colors are exciting. They're far better than I thought they were, by just totally better. I've got cool colors. Thank you for not dropping that into the painting, Priscilla. Alright, so that edge catcher's going away. I get to decide where my tweezers went, right there. Pull that rather hard to find lump away. I'm not too unhappy with most of that. I don't have very much gold in here. I'm not sure I need any either. See how I feel about it. I think I'm going to have an issue because I see these two blacks. I'm meeting. Oh yes, I did. I stuck my finger right in there. That's okay. So there's some cool stuff, and I'm not sure about anything else. But I do have more paint. And where's my purple? And I've just thrown everything I can think of right in there. And I'm actually using paint I thought I wasn't going to use, and I'm not unhappy about it. And I did move my edge catcher, so let's bring one back again. I use GAC 800 in all of my paint mixtures, which means that I don't have to worry about things being too heavy and cracking when they dry. I think because I just did what I did, I'm interested in completely using up my paint. If I can get you to come out, it's very slow moving right now. Which means it's time for a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. That's interesting. I'm kind of inclined to find a skewer with a point on it, and not that there is one anymore. I got two for the price of one. Just waggle something. I've got 4 minutes left, and I actually like this, and I wasn't sure that I was going to, but it's cool. It's way cool, actually. And yes, I'm using my fingers, and no, I might not be done doing that, but I am out of paint. So what do I want to do? Where's my turquoise? Cool. I think I'm pretty close. And I'm actually way happier than I anticipated. By a long shot. I might have to fix my edges tomorrow, but right now, I'm a happy girl. I've got weird negative space and weirder colors, and it's all good. The only thing I'm inclined to do is add a little bit of this blue on the clean end of my skewer, so I help lead the eye back and forth between here and there. Get rid of a little mud. See what happens when this turquoise and this blue meet. I'm very painty. I'm totally painty today. I don't know what satin metallic is going to look like, but I think we'll find out tomorrow together. And if it's half as nice as it is when it's wet, it'll be wonderful. Surprise, surprise. I'm surprised. I'm also covered in paint. I mentioned that. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, telling you I do sell my artwork. If you want to help me stay on YouTube, watch the videos longer, because it's the only thing the YouTube algorithm understands, and I don't even know that that's working, so I'm just looking for some help. If you share my videos, that's a big assistance. If you want to look for the end screens on the video, you'll find an exhibition video there, and it will share with you whatever this month's prizes are on the drawing. There's a $10 minimum to get in, but there's usually more than one choice of things that you could win if your name is drawn. Every once in a while, I just got to put a few swirls in. I don't think that hurts anybody. It definitely doesn't hurt me. I like swirls. What can I say? So, let me see. I said I give lessons. Look under the video for Teespring clothing, Oliver print t-shirts and leggings, and other things. If you go there, you'll find them all. Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and you can find tomorrow's video posted there a lot of times. And also Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, for anybody who might want to see what the YouTube artworks that I have edited so far look like, wet and dry versions. And I'm good. Hey, I like it even better your way than I liked it my way. That's pretty cool. I guess I'm getting used to myself being being wildly abstract and psychedelic. And there's all kinds of little things that I can pull down and spiral out if I want to, but I think I'm pretty well done. And I will torch to release the bubbles in the paint. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you, which is mostly done. I've got a little bit of this blue in my cap, which will... Actually, you know what? I'm just going to dot. I want a few dots. Just a few. And I'm good. Good to go. Where's my crib sheet? I put it down. So check my playlist for 1,200 videos organized by the 100 and by genre. And you can find that on my channel, where the community board is also, which will tell you it's another place to find tomorrow's video. Please give me a thumbs up if you're interested in the OXO omelet turning spatula. It's on my Amazon link below Show More, the first blue link under the video. Thank you guys for all the contributions, and thank you for the wonderful comments you've left me all this time. I really appreciate you guys keeping my morale up and keeping me painting. And this might be my last trip to Michael's today for a long time, but it was a good sale and I stocked up, and after this I'm not sure how much longer I'll be around unless things improve some. And I would love for things to improve some, but out of almost 69,000 subscribers, only a few hundred people watch at a time, and I don't know what the problem is. So please share my videos at will. I love you guys dearly. Thank you for being here. This is Priscilla Batzell. I probably said that. In Spring Hill, Florida. I probably said that too. At Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, still diddling with her painting. I just had some mucky stuff I didn't like the look of there. And I've still got paint in my cup. Alright, you guys take care. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I will see you anon. Binge watch for me, would you? I love you. See ya.